You need a Phillips screwdriver, a slotted screwdriver, and a torque 20 screwdriver. Switch off the unit, unplug the connected device and the power plug. Remove the dust drawer. Loosen the 4 screws on the housing, 2 on the side, 1 on the left, and 1 on the right, and 2 on the top. Slide the housing cover backwards. The service flap will release automatically. Now press the transformer plug downwards and release it from the locking mechanism. Afterwards, remove the old motor and disconnect the plug connector. Use the T20 screwdriver to disconnect the earthing. Now pull the supply air duct out of the housing. Then, remove the 2 foam trays. Now reinsert the supply air duct and screw the earthing on again. Remove the old motor and disconnect the plug connector. Remove the 3 foam elements from the housing and replace them with the new elements. This is mandatory in order to comply with fire protection measures. Now insert the new foam elements. It is essential to observe the correct sequence and positioning. Insert the connector into the new motor and make sure that the polarity is correct. Now place the replacement motor in the foam inserts and press it into the foam until it is completely enclosed. Replace the old sealing ring with the new one. Now position the plug in the receptacle, but do not lock it into place yet. Replace the housing cover. Please ensure that the cover is positioned at the correct angle. Screw the housing screws back onto the side panels and cover. Only turn the screws on the sides by 90 degrees. Reconnect the transformer plug and insert the service flap. Remove the exhaust air filter and replace it with the new one.